Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rajeshwar Panja and welcome to Engineering Physics course. This course is designed for engineering students of different universities and colleges in India. I will discuss several topics like vector calculus, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, electromagnetic theory, solid state physics, etc. throughout this lecture series. Today I will start with vector calculus. Here I will discuss about the concept of gradient, divergence and curl with suitable example. Before going through in details of vector calculus, I would like to discuss about the vector which you have already studied in your school days. So first of all, if I ask you that what do you mean by vector quantities? I am sure that you all know that there are certain physical quantities, and to describe them we need both magnitude and direction. Let's take some examples of the vector quantities like velocity, force, momentum, etc. To express these physical quantities we need both magnitude and direction. We also know that there are two types of vector multiplications or vector products. One is the dot or scalar product and the other one is the cross or vector product. First take the dot or scalar product. Let A vector and B vector. First of all, take the dot or scalar product. Let A and B are two vectors and theta is the angle between them. Dot or scalar product has two forms. One is the geometrical and another one is the algebraical form. Geometrical form is expressed as A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector cosine of angle between these two vectors. Here I have used the boldface to denote the vector quantity. But when you write down in your notebook, please use the arrowhead. Now the algebraical form, this is A vector dot B vector, which is written as ax x cap plus ay y cap plus az z cap and dotted with bx x cap plus by y cap plus bz z cap. Here we have splitted A vector and B vector in their component forms, that is A vector equal to ax x cap plus ay y cap plus az z cap and B vector is splitted bx x cap plus by y cap and bz z cap. Ax, ay, az are components of A vector along x, y and z direction respectively. Similarly, bx, by, bz are the components of B vector along the x, y and z directions respectively. Similarly, vector or cross product also have two forms, geometrical form. Here by mistake I have written A vector dot B vector, but it should be right as A vector cross B vector. So A vector cross B vector, which is expressed as magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector sin theta n cap. What is n cap? N cap is the unit normal to the area spanned by the A vector and B vector. So if we complete a parallelogram by this A vector and B vector, then the area is this shaded region and n cap is the unit normal vector which is perpendicular to the area spanned by this A vector and B vector. There are another form known as the algebraical form for the cross product, which is written in the determinant form. That is A vector cross B vector, we can write in the determinant x cap, y cap, z cap, ax, ay, az, bx, by and bz. So in the next video I will discuss about the gradient, and I have splitted my lecture series in a very short video for your convenience. So thank you very much, and I will discuss in the next video about the gradient.